I just wanna make deposits. All the horses in garages. You would've thought you was seeing mirages. I had the pounds in the trunk, ready now I gotta move cautious. I had the pounds in the office, had the pounds in my dorm room. So good, that's what they tell me. Laundry room. I had the pounds in the sink too. I had the pounds in the laundromat. I had the pounds in the trunk. Yeah, I remember one class out. Young nigga used to mash out. Yeah, we link up at Vlad's house. Used to turn it to a trap house. Never sleep. Get it all off me. Kush kick like the snores. Weed smoking really Boris. Had a duck from the Taurus. How you illegal when it was here before us? Tryna make $1 million off of CBD. Money don't grow on trees. I said, what about THC? I think they all on a power trip. Tryna tell us which flower that we could pick. How you hating when you don't know the benefits? Depending where the plug at. I say, send this shit. I had the pounds on the laundromat. I had the pounds in the laundry room. I had the pounds in the sink.
It just goes right off. Wow.
Class out, young nigga used to mash out. Yeah, we link up at Vlad's house. Used to turn it to a trap house. Never sleep with the bags out. Yeah, I wasn't playing. Ooh, I was a one-man army. Ooh, had to get it all off me. Kush kick like the snores. Weed smoking really Boris. Had a duck from the Taurus. How you illegal when it was here before us? Tryna make $1 million off of CBD. Money don't grow on trees. I said, what about THC? I think they all on a power trip. Tryna tell us which flower that we could pick. How you hating when you don't know the benefits? Depending where the plug at. I say send this shit.
Oh wow.
You got it from my grand?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have some, but it's not the red stuff. The one that I got is I think it's not rated for water.
Okay, yeah, this one's exterior or something?
Yeah, mine is not. So if you put that on, you can't wash the car.
Oh no.
Supercars, where we pull up with superstars. In the garage, all them horses, it's like a mirage. Yeah, them big coupes, yeah, them white bodies, hugging 2 lanes. Don't you try all these?
Put the main piece like on the top part. Hopefully that'll hold it down. So tight. And you're doing
Too much.
Spend all that money on a Rari and just slides. We just passed you, you're smelling the exhaust. That's what you get for
trying to get some carbon cool points.
The Need for Speed bling bling. So that should hold those parts. Quick test fit. We got the outer side here. Yep, that's good. All that's good. Probably put a little piece. Probably not in here, just because this probably doesn't fit flush, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think the inner part fits flush.
I see what you mean.
Yeah, in here, I don't think in here is like molded.
Yeah.
Perfect would fit the mirror, so. Moment of truth.
Yeah.
Let's pull the label off and see what happens. Wow, this stuff is sticky.
3M exterior. Hard to get the back of though.
Wow. That stuff is that stuff is pretty strong. It's on there.
Yeah.
I mean the carbon weighs nothing. Bro.
Yeah.
Tryna race a big bus. Should already know that GTR got big balls. On the 9-1.
Riding.
Tryna find one. You wanna race, huh? Put your VIN up. Bitches AAA. Yeah, we been up. Yeah, the car sound like it's a pickup truck. You're gonna need a helicopter just to keep up. Whatever engine, yeah. I'm one of the boys. We don't give a fuck.
That's pretty good.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
You know what I think I'm gonna do?
What?
Cause you see right here how it sticks out?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to like grind it down.
Oh.
Yeah, get it like straight.
Wow. 'Cause
Yeah. Yeah, that little part is
Oh,
sticking
that-
out too much.
yeah. But other than that, it looks good.
It fits pretty good. I mean, for what you paid.
Yeah.
It's carbon. It's
Yeah.
real carbon. You know?
Wow, that looks good. What do you guys think?
Good.
So about to put on the front carbon fiber nose guard. And this is what the paint was already chipping. So when I pulled off the wrap, pulled off the paint, goes down to the primer. So we're gonna clean it up and get it ready to put on the front carbon fiber nose guard. There's more glasses.
I should be there around 6.
I had to pause in the laundromat. I had to pause in the laundry room. I had to pause in the sink too. I had to pause in the laundromat. I had to pause in the truck.
I'm finished.
I remember one class out. Young nigga used to mash out. Yeah, we link up at Vlad's house. Used to turn into a trap house. Never sleep with the bags out. Yeah, I wasn't playing. Ooh, I was a one man. How you leaving when it was here before us? Trying to make $1 million, diamonds off of CBD. Money don't grow on trees. I said, what about THC? I think they all on a power trip. Trying to tell us which flower that we could pick. How you hating when you don't know the benefits? Depending where the plug at. I say, send this shit. I had the pounds on the laundromat. I had the pounds in the laundry room. I had the pounds in the sink too. I had the pounds in the laundromat. I had the pounds in the trunk. In the sky.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button for me. You know, I needs it. I need it. Needs it. Do that, and I'm also doing the giveaway. $100 to a lucky subscriber once I hit 500 subscribers. All you have to do is like, comment, and share, and I'll be able to see your username and contact you, and we'll do the Cash App thing. So keep tuned, share as much as possible, and like. Okay, thank you.